Now, if you want to take this part and you want to pattern it up the spine here of this part, just come up to here, pattern, straight. We'll ask you for the column. I would say select an edge that won't be going away if you change the part or have specialty parts. So select the edge. And this tells you which direction you're going to go. So if we look over here, set of 200, 1200, 2200, 3200. So it goes up by 1,000. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So overall, we have 5 parts spaced at 1,000. There you go. Okay. So now this part's locked in because of the first one. There you go. Now if we hop back over here, you see, I'm assuming this is the same part. They're all not named the same, but I can't speculate. So if we come back over here, find our first one, copy that, and paste that. Or you just do wherever your cursor is, Control V, and it'll pop it right in. So again, constrain, select right there, to that edge, apply. This part, origin is there, to the middle of the part. Yes, constrain to our new one. There we go. So now we have free movement. Come from the top. Now, let's see, where's this one from? From the face to the edge. I'm assuming it's the outside edge to that outside edge. Constrain, face to that edge. And then we come up 34, it looks like. Okay. So now if we come back over, looks like it goes 501, then 1070, then 955. So the 501, it's not gonna, well, there's 2 different ways. You can pattern it and then pattern the other one, but the easiest way is to just paste another part, constrain it. Apply. Again, midpoint. Midpoint. Constrain. Now, on this dimension, the 501, I'm assuming it's to the midpoint, and that was initially why we'd want to do it to the midpoint, because if you look on here, our actual plane is there. So if you want to find the midpoint from mid to mid, it's not really going to work. You have to subtract the thickness from the edge. That's just not really what you want to do. So anyway, this is just generalized. So there, 501. Okay, so now we have 1070 between them. Grab a component, choose our column edge. There's going to be 1070, flip our direction, and looks like there's like 8 of them or something.